Yeah, good day all. We are here today. I want to teach you how to produce your door schedule or window schedule in ArchiCAD. Now we have taught you how to tag your door window. So let's get started. It's very easy. So what you do is you go to this place and you go down, you see schedule, you go down. These are schedule. So you click to this drop down and you click to the schedule. You double click on the schedule. When you double click on the schedule, it will show you these elements. You can see window schedule, door schedule, all open schedule, and the rest. So let's just click on door schedule. You double click on it, it will come up. When it come up, you can see there are some doors you don't. It's coming up. So let's be patient. It has come up. So this is your door schedule. You can see different type of doors. Your doors. You have seen your door schedule. All different type of door. You can see it. So you can see it. So what we do now is it's showing us so many things that we may not need. It's showing us so many things that we may not need. So you look at the things you don't need and find how to delete it. So let's say maybe here element ID. I think I don't need it. ID by classification. I think I don't need it. Opening name regular. I think I don't need it. Quantity I need it. From zone I think I don't need it. To zone I don't need it. Width and height I think I need it. Orientation I don't need it. And when you come here you will see that this orientation, this door is 2. It's showing 2 and the quantity is showing 2. The quantity. So this is the left. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So it's showing, you can see it right hand and this is left. It's showing 2. So what we do is we just go to settle. Let's go to that orientation. You click on the orientation and remove it. I click OK. When you click on that orientation and remove that one, you have removed that one showing the right hand or the left hand. So it has matched the 2 and it's now 4. So let's go ahead and remove this element and the rest. So we go here. I think we are removing this. Remove this. Dynamic. I think we don't need this. Remove it. Art name. I think we don't need it. We don't need this. We need quantity. We don't need this. We don't need this. Normal width. Okay, I think we need this. Still height. We don't need this. Remove it. I think we don't need this too. 2D preview. Let's allow this. 3D back view. Let's allow this. Fire resistance, whatever. We don't need this. Terminal. whatever. Let's go back and check all this if we need any, if it's, so this is what we are getting. So all this, I think we will remove it. Let's remove those ones. We go back, we remove this, we remove this, we remove this, we remove this, security rating. Let's see what security rating means. Another, okay, let's remove it too. We remove it. So what we do is we add sometimes, come back and add this. I think we are going to change all this to, we change this. Okay, just schedule. Okay, you can see what I'm doing here. This is the 3D view, this is the 2D view. So let's go on to add sometimes. You go to setting and you go here, add feed. You click on add feed. You go to general, you click on general. You click on general, it will bring you to this drop down. You can see if you click on this general, to bring you to this drop down. You now add text. Add it to the field. You say add. You add. It's okay. It's okay. You have added the text. So you can now put door type. Let's say door type. Or you put type, or whatever. Then you come here. You put your W. This one is let's start with this. Okay, this is W1, D1, D1, D2. Which one is it? Okay, let's go to our plan. We go to our plan. Maybe just D2. Okay. We go back to our schedule, D2, our door schedule. These are D2, D2, D2. So basically this is how to label. We have really checked on how to delete these openings and it's not possible. What we notice is because we did the opening with open doors. So if you don't want to say this while doing your drawing, is you just find other means of doing your opening. Maybe you just edit your wall. It's better you edit your wall than to use opening to open your walls. Open door to open your wall. So I think it's preferable we go with editing of your wall. You click edit your wall and cut. So thank you so much for watching. So this is basically how to automatically produce your window and door schedule. So when we go to the wall schedule, to the window schedule too, you see how it's very easy. So you just label this. I've labeled this too, so label the remaining while I label mine here. Thank you so much.